doing this quiz. Before it's true about the names of Java. The case sensitive. So yeah, as you can see here, the Java treats uppercase and lowercase letters as distinct in identifiers. What's the correct way to declare constant variable in Java? Java variables used to declare constant variables unchangeable values. What, what would be the output of this Java program? Compilation error. Variable shadowing is not allowed in Java. The second integer equal x equals 20 causes an error. Self-explanatory. Yeah. There's an explicit manual type cost from double to integer, which drops the decimal part. Other options involve implicit conversions or invalid one. So this one is a compile time error.